Good afternoon. I'm Janet Lambert, the CEO of the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine. On behalf of the ARM team and the ARM board, I'd like to welcome you to our second annual meeting on the Mediterranean. We regret that we are still convening virtually, but next year, hope to see you in person in Barcelona. This time last year, none of us had any idea what the pandemic would bring. Despite those considerable challenges, however, the ATMP field has demonstrated remarkable resilience. The sector raised nearly $20 billion in financing in 2020, blowing away the previous record and fueling an incredibly robust pipeline. We're now tracking more than 1,000 companies in this sector, reporting on important clinical milestones and expecting a record number of regulatory decisions on new advanced therapies in 2021. ARM continues to grow as the global voice of the sector, and we now represent more than 380 member organizations globally. We've continued to convene the community through numerous virtual events this past year, and we hope to see many of you in person again at the meeting on the Mesa in October. This year, we're expanding our global public affairs team and enhancing our advocacy work. ARM remains committed to working with our members, policymakers, and stakeholders in Europe and the United States to ensure life-changing therapies can reach patients. We've put together the agenda for this meeting with that goal in mind. The sector is at an inflection point in Europe with the EU pharmaceutical strategy and associated legislation likely to shape our environment for years to come. This week, we'll have a fireside chat with Ms. Emma Cook, the new head of the European Medicines Agency. Ms. Cook will discuss the EMA's plans to support the acceleration of ATMPs. We'll also discuss regulatory pathways to commercialization with top regulators from the EU, the UK, the US, and Japan. Additionally, we've gathered more than 50 senior executives from the leading European and global organizations in this space. They'll discuss the current status and future outlook for ATMPs in panels covering European fundraising, large cap cell and gene therapy strategies, European gene therapy developments, the state of our CMC progress, and the realities for ATMP commercialization in Europe, among other topics. Please note that you can also hear concise 15-minute presentations from more than 80 companies as part of our program and do some valuable networking through our partnering system. I hope you have the opportunity to take full advantage of our robust agenda, and I look forward to interacting with many of you throughout the week. Thank you for joining us.